Friday, May the 14th. Right now we're leaving Honolulu and we're going to Maui. We're on our flight right now. We're waiting to go. Should proceed directly to for breakfast. Want to show your breakfast video? Got it from 7-Eleven. What you got? What'd you get? So I got eggs. It's like ASMR. Okay, what did I get? And I got spam, fried rice, egg, and sausage. The breakfast. Listen, it's a good video, but oh yeah, so we didn't know that we were first class. We got to skip the whole security line. And we got to like go through and do first class because we got the extra comfy seats on the Hawaiian Airlines. I'll show you guys when we get inside. Yummy. These are, whisper this because I don't want to say it out loud. On the west side security line, down there area got like sensory cameras compared to like patio. And that was very awkward. I've never gone down before. Definitely an experience, and now we were time to board. Okay, so we just got boarded. We're in our extra comfy seats on the airline. 2 seats. Usually it's like the 3 seats over there. Extra comfy for us for a 45-minute plane ride. Hawaii. I'm sad we're leaving. We were literally crying on the way like here because we were sad. It's okay, we still have 4 more days to go. And then we're gonna move back here and we're gonna live here. Okay, so we made it off the flight, our 15-minute flight. Now we're just waiting for our parents. That was literally 15 minutes, the quickest flight ever. Maui time! Costco run! Okay, so we're just gonna do a Costco run to get a few things because we're here for like 5 days. So we're gonna get a few things and we're also gonna get those like Honolulu, like the macadamia and like chocolate things. Because they're the chocolate things? Because they're cheaper here, so we're gonna get them. And yeah. Okay, so the Costco in Hawaii has like massive bottles of alcohol. Like Canada, they don't even have like this alcohol. Like look. Costco. Yeah, no. Like look, get one. Compared to someone. Squishmallows. Imagine I took this. Oh, Cindy, look how big this is. Wait, look, I like the pineapple one. Ready? Where is it? Look at him. Boba, we're little kids, we're 5-year-olds. Literally. Okay, so this is what we got. We got the Hawaiian Toast, the chocolates, and then we got these like chips, like a box, and then these like popcorn stuff. We're gonna eat all of it. Eat all of it in 4 days. Okay, so since I'm sitting here, I'm gonna tell you we're in Maui for 4 days. We are doing a helicopter ride and a catamaran ride. We're going to Molokai Island. And that is about it. That's the end of our trip after this. I'm sad. I was so sad leaving Honolulu. We were like crying. We're gonna go to our apartment now and then probably just go to like a beach and chill out for the rest of the day. Okay, so we just got to our house or like a little like apartment thing. So I'm gonna show you guys everything, like the whole entire apartment so you guys can see where we're staying. We're staying at, I think, Sunset Beach? No, Sugar Beach. Sugar Beach Hotel in Maui. If you guys want to come here, I recommend it. Okay, so we made it to the penthouse. We're gonna show you our like room or whatever, like the area. Okay, so come in. So we got our stairs right away. Okay, so this is the view. There's 2 like separate areas. We have the master over this way. So just like the bedroom and then bathroom on this side. And then over here on the other side, we have me and my cousin's room, so just like the 2 individual beds, and then you have the bathroom again. And then over here is the living room. So this is our whole living room over here. And then this is like the kitchen and dining room. And once you go outside, you have this view. So basically we didn't actually know it was gonna be like a bigger like penthouse. We thought it was just called the penthouse and it was kind of like a normal room, but it's massive. Apparently it's worth 1.5 million. So we're gonna buy this. We're gonna live here, right, Cynthia?
Yep.
Okay, good morning. It is the next day. We actually forgot to finish the vlog yesterday because we were literally enjoying this view so much, and we also went for a walk on the beach and just went swimming. So I'm gonna continue this till today, since it's probably like 5 minutes like yesterday. So today we are just going to be driving around the island. We're going to be going to the beach, just chilling, having basically a really chill day, and yeah, that's about it. That's what we're doing today, so let's get into day 2 of Maui.